After riding the Virginia Creeper Trail, we headed to Freeze, Virginia to ride the New River Trail. The New River Trail is a 57-mile linear state park which follows an abandoned railroad and parallels the New River for 39 miles. We're biking the New River Trail, and that's where we just came from. And that's where we have to go. This is the longest bridge on the trail, and it is just wide enough for the park ranger to drive their truck over it while inspecting the trail.
Babies, look at. Is that the mama giving you the evil eye?
We spent 2 days in West Virginia and did 2 activities, so we've earned our West Virginia state sticker. Fun fact, both of our mothers were born in West Virginia. DeWitt's mom was born in Beckley, and my mom was born in New Martinsville. Our first night in West Virginia was spent at the Princeton Railroad Museum, which is also a harvest host. This is one of the best railroad museums we visited. There were so many interesting artifacts. The museum is free, however, they welcome donations. They have this super cool model train and landscape, along with the scavenger hunt, and we found all but one item. They listed a picnic table and a picnic bench. We cannot find the picnic bench. We thought we were missing one thing from the scavenger hunt. We had to find picnic tables and a picnic bench. You can see the picnic tables, and we were told that the picnic tables and the picnic bench were the same thing. So we won a prize, yay! We got a collection of postcards, which is perfect. I love postcards. One of the items on the scavenger hunt was beehives. I was looking for them in trees, like naturally made beehives, but I didn't realize they were the kind that my brother-in-law has. We're not allowed to touch the model train, but they did bring in a train track that the kids can play with. This is one of the fancier cabooses we've been in.
Yeah, nicely restored.
Yes. See a restored caboose. So many we see are empty and just a shell. But this is really, really cool. Our second night in West Virginia was at a Cracker Barrel in Charleston. We toured the state capitol. The building is pretty simple. The ceiling has plaster coffers representing the native red oak, magnolia, and sugar maple trees. The walls were left blank so these features would stand out. There are 333 rooms in the capitol.
Got the tassels. I'm not sure what the tassels are about.
Yeah, you're zooming in, but the chandelier looks really small from up here, doesn't it?
It does. She said that that chandelier, when it's lowered down to the ground, will fit within the white circle down on the first floor. Hop down there, Debbie, so we can see how big that circle is.
The dome was gilded in 5-karat gold. They had tried to do it without gilding it in gold, but they found after a couple years that the paint that made it look like it was gold started deteriorating and such, and the cost of having to redo the paint and maintenance was actually more expensive than gilding it in gold, since the gold lasted so much longer.
Look for our next adventure as we travel to Ohio. We visited another train museum. This one is all outdoors. We'll show you a cornfield made of 109 concrete ears of corn. A waterfall awaited us at the end of the boardwalk in Hayden Park. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Shelly's Nest.